T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have ignition and liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket, carrying satellites for Amazon's Project Kuiper Internet constellation, continuing a new chapter in low Earth orbit satellite connectivity.
We ended our pitch over maneuver, body rates 1.5 miles in altitude, traveling 12 miles per hour. Mach 1, now descend supersonic.
You are hearing Daniel Brunson providing launch vehicle
Back up to near full power. 2 miles downrange, 6 miles in altitude. And good indication of SRB burnout. Engine response continues to look good. Preparing for SRB jettison. Vehicle throttling back up to full power. And we got good indication of separation of all 5 SRBs.